A simple hymn that goes straight to the heart.
I am weak, but thou art strong. Jesus, keep me from all wrong. I'll be satisfied as long as I walk, my dear Lord, close to Thee. Just a closer walk with Thee. Grant it, Jesus, is my plea. Daily walking close to Thee. Let it be, my dear Lord, let it be.
If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like and to share.